morning everyone. I welcome you all in science class students. Students, today we are going to revise the next topic of chapter number 15. That one is global warming. Here in this topic we are going to revise what is global warming, what are the causes of global warming and what are the negative effects of global warming. So global warming is basically it's the phenomena of gradual increase in the temperature on the earth's surface, right? When there is a rise in temperature on the earth's surface, this natural phenomena is known as global warming. So it has been observed over the past one or two centuries, right? And what are the causes of global warming? Now we come to know what is global warming. Global warming is increase in the temperature of the earth's surface. Now what are the reason for the global warming? So we have two reasons for the global warming. First one is the man-made and other one is the natural cause. Now what are the man-made cause that we are going to discuss? So, man-made cause. First one is deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation means clearing of forest and using the land for many other purposes, right? For example, like building houses and factories, for making furniture or using wood as fuel. So these can be the reason for deforestation. Now what are the consequences, means how it lead to the condition of global warming? So basically deforestation increases the temperature and also increase the level of pollution, right? As we know that plants need the carbon dioxide for the process of making their food, for the process of photosynthesis. If we cut down the plant, then it means the less carbon dioxide will be used up, right? If there will be less carbon dioxide, then more amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and we also know that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and it traps the heat energy, right? The second reason is use of vehicle. As we know that vehicle runs with the help of fossil fuel, right? With the help of petrol, which is a fossil fuel, right? If the fossil fuel burns, it releases the greenhouse gases. It releases the pollutants in the atmosphere, right? Which help to increase in the temperature of the earth. Next one is use of CFC. CFC is a chlorofluorocarbon. It is also a kind of gas that is used in air conditioners, refrigerators, and it also warm up the earth atmosphere, right? And the last one is industrial activities. These are the man-made causes. So after this, what are the natural causes? Natural causes are like volcano eruption. When the volcano erupt, many hot gases released into the atmosphere in a large quantity, right? And among that, many gases are greenhouse gases, and we also know that greenhouse gases help to trap the heat energy, right? It has the ability to trap the heat energy, so it may rise it help to rise the temperature of the earth. Next one is water vapor, and we also come to know in the previous video lecture that water vapor is a kind of a greenhouse gas. And last one is forest fire. So these are the causes of global warming. What are the effects of global warming? Now as you see in this picture, so this is the picture of polar ice cap, melting of polar ice cap. So this is the negative effect of global warming. Global warming melts the polar ice cap. If the polar ice cap melt, then there will be increase in water level in the oceans or the seas, right? And if the water level get increase in the ocean, then there will be the possibility of flooding to the nearby places. How can we reduce the global warming? by controlling the release of greenhouse gases. How? By using the things more carefully, by using electricity more carefully, right? By using the fuel wisely, right? By using a mass transport system, and by avoiding cutting of the trees, right? So through these steps we can reduce the greenhouse gases. So student, I have prepared some questions for the practice. So first one is fill in the blanks. Ozone is found in dash. So you will write stratosphere. Dash gas is released by grass eating animal. Methane gas. Dash gas is used in air conditioner or refrigerator, CFC. Monuments are periodically renovated by Dash Survey of India, Archaeological Survey of India. The next question is, write the effects of climatic change. What you will write? We have just discussed melting of ice or rise in water level of ocean. So I hope you have understood all this thing. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.